Hi team, in the April month, we're going to start new batch on Snowflake with AWS. Online training new batch is going to start from 6th April 2026 morning 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. Indian timing. So in this batch, what we're going to teach, we're going to explain interactive online classes. Along with, we're going to discuss, we're providing the materials, recording videos. Along with, we're explaining the project explanation, resume preparation, mock interviews, doubts and clarifications. We're explaining interview questions and answers. We're covering for the class timings morning 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. IST. So for more details, reach out this number. Okay, thank you so much.